ka first MLP battalion hener sngi ka lai pho tarik urisau kalakan mau borom ya ki para pulit ki bala IT bat yap na madakari haba pendep ya la ka kamram kaba kilar khi ha phalau jongka ha mo yong jopung borok steo kilar khi ya kene ka program ka bala tip kum ka police flag day ka bala sedang ha ka arkoi tarik bat kut mentaka sngi ka lai pho tarik urisau ha kane ka jing rakhe klaidon ki program ba pher kum ka yakob dro bat kamare marathon bala sim benta de ki khna school ka first miglia public secondary school hakaba haka yakob draw bat marathon dak pulin haka yakob draw lawan ningkong da ulal ro luwa sailu baal ka finisha el lingkhoy bat balai ka silna meri armarang katba hakamare marathon lawan ningkong wanshwa rumbai baar unishar wapung bat balai u kupar wansuk el nongrang habakran kumo kongsan uba piti saukmi MLA gamolai ubolong ru chief whip kaliang persya nagaseng kongres ulapan pau ya kajingkemen ka bakrau buladon bentalang hakum kani kasngi kabakrau habakan mau buram yaki bala IT na bentagari.
So it is a short program, but it's a very important program to remember the precious life of MLP battalion who sacrificed for the life of our state and also for the nation as a whole. It is a privilege at the outset. This is the time of COVID-19 pandemic and famine that we are facing as a world, as a nation, and also the state as a whole. It is my duty to salute the doctors, the nurses, the paramedical staff, the health workers, and especially the police forces that you have worked so hard of maintaining and make our people understanding that be at home unless you have some important emergency work in your duty. You have worked so hard for the last 7.5 months now, starting on 25 March 2020, that lockdown have started at the beginning when Honorable Prime Minister ordered for the lockdown. That police forces, you have worked so hard. All of us we staying at home. All of us that we sleep peacefully, but yourself, you are on the road, are performing your duty. I salute for your hard work that you have given to the state, even to the nation as a whole. Police job, it is a very difficult job. A man of uniform is a man that everyone is respect. When you meet the police personnel, that is that a psychology in your mind, in your mentality, that you respect them. That's why when the police forces, it is there in duty. If it is in the traffic, if it is in any duty, everyone respects the police officer. Your job is a very tough job and disciplined job, and job that you have given the best of the best for the law and order. We are very much happy in the state of Meghalaya. Like Madam Shawli said, that we're getting our own statehood. That is on the 21st January 1972. Right from 1972, do we face that? In short term, communal tension here and there. But overall, law and order is improved because the police MLP battalion doing a good job to maintain law and order.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We have strong. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Second prize goes. Thank you very much.
Katba ka kong Claudia Lingwa ka komandan jong ka first MLP battalion haba ajing kren kum kasembut kongsan kalapan pau bakadan kam shisha ya kajing slur banyap na kabenta kiwei kataru na kabenta kiba kim itu ha kani ka sngilai don langru kirang ba shinong na moyong jopung uba Anthony Karngor bat na moyong rim uba S Lingdo bat kiwei ki he pulen.
The policemen who are committed to maintain law and order in the country, and for that I have to personally salute the first MLP band platoon that they have been able to give a beautiful performance today in spite of the fact that they have been performing duty for the last 2-3 months at the entry check gate in Banihat. There they work 24/7, and they have just been brought back to the battalion in the last 2 days. In these last 2 days, they were able to practice and present a very, very commendable performance. For that, my hats off to the commander of the band platoon and the entire band. A little bit of the history of the 1st Meghalaya Police Battalion band. First of all, the Meghalaya Police Battalion was the conversion of the then 7th Assam Police Battalion of the undivided Assam. After the creation of a separate state of Meghalaya, the 7th Assam Police Battalion was rechristened as the 1st Meghalaya Police Battalion in the year 1972. A number of original band personnel of Assam Police stayed back and thus were able to groom more manpower to set up the 1st MLP Battalion Pipe Band. The band platoon of this battalion has been performing in most of the state functions, ceremonial parades, school sports, in and outside of Shillong as well. Today, the band display program has been organized by this battalion as a mark of respect to the police martyrs. It takes courage to protect and fight and die for someone who is unknown to you.